Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muthia Safira Lisandi. My NPM is 234111028. I'm from class MNJ 23C. In this video, I will explain a little about sea freight in business activities. The first is definition. Sea transportation in business activities refers to the use of ships as the main mode of transportation to move goods or commodities from one location to another to meet business needs. This process involves a series of complex activities, starting from selecting the type of ship that suits the characteristics of the goods, safe and efficient packaging, processing the necessary documents and permits, to handling and releasing the goods at the destination port. The main objective of sea transportation in a business context is to distribute goods effectively and efficiently, both for domestic and international trade, taking into account aspects of cost, travel time, and safety of goods. The success of maritime transportation depends on good coordination between the various parties involved, including shipping companies, shipping agents, expedition companies, and port and customs authorities. In summary, sea transportation in business activities is a strategic process that aims to optimize the movement of goods in order to achieve maximum business profits. Next, the importance of sea freight in business activities. 1. Cost efficiency. Sea transportation is generally more cost-effective than other modes of transportation such as air or land, especially for sending goods in large quantities. This is because the large carrying capacity allows for reduced costs per unit of goods, higher fuel efficiency compared to airplanes, and relatively lower operational costs. These cost advantages are especially attractive for companies looking to optimize logistics spending and increase profitability. 2. Large carrying capacity. Sea ships, especially container ships, have a carrying capacity that far exceeds other modes of transportation. This capability makes it possible to transport large quantities of goods at once, thereby reducing the frequency of deliveries and minimizing costs and time required. These efficiencies contribute to optimizing supply chain management and improving overall logistics efficiency. 3. Wide reach. Ships are able to reach various ports throughout the world, opening up great opportunities for companies to engage in international trade. This capability allows companies to reach wider global markets, build international business networks, and significantly expand the scale of their business operations. Sea freight is key in business expansion into international markets. 4. Reliability. Compared to air transportation, which is susceptible to weather disturbances, sea transportation is relatively more reliable. Marine vessels are designed to withstand a wide range of weather conditions, supported by advanced navigation systems and well-trained crews. This reliability ensures safe and timely delivery of goods, minimizing the risk of delays and losses that could have a negative impact on the business. Next are the challenges in sea freight. 1. Long travel time. One of the main challenges in sea transportation is the longer travel time compared to other modes of transportation such as air. Shipping goods by sea can take several weeks, depending on the distance and route taken. This can be a significant obstacle for companies that need goods quickly to meet market demand or maintain smooth business operations. In situations where delivery speed is critical, such as shipping seasonal goods or products in high demand, long lead times can result in lost business opportunities and customer dissatisfaction. 2. Risk of damage to goods. Transporting goods by sea also faces a higher risk of damage. The goods being transported may experience shocks, be exposed to seawater, or be affected by bad weather during transit. This risk of damage means companies need to consider appropriate preventive measures, such as choosing strong and waterproof packaging, and inspecting goods before shipping. If not handled properly, damaged goods can result in significant financial losses and damage a company's reputation in the eyes of customers. 3. High insurance costs. Insurance costs for goods transported by sea tend to be higher compared to other modes of transportation. This is due to the greater risk of damage or loss of goods during the sea transportation process. Companies must consider these additional costs in their logistics budgets. High insurance costs can affect profit margins and make ocean freight less attractive for some companies, especially those operating on a tight budget. 4. Regulations and customs. ocean freight involves various customs regulations and procedures that are often complex and time-consuming. Each country has different rules and requirements regarding the import and export of goods, which can create challenges for companies unfamiliar with these regulations. Delays in meeting customs requirements may result in shipping delays, additional costs, and potential legal issues. Therefore, companies need to have a good understanding of applicable regulations and may have to work with experienced shipping agents or consultants to ensure compliance and a smooth delivery process. The last one is the strategy for overcoming challenges. 1. Choice of ship type. One important step that a company can take is choosing the right type of ship to transport goods according to the needs and characteristics of the goods to be sent. There are different types of ships, such as container ships, tankers, and cargo ships, each designed to transport certain types of goods. By selecting appropriate vessels, companies can ensure that their goods are transported safely and efficiently. For example, for items that are sensitive to shock, such as electronics, choosing a boat with a good suspension system can help minimize the risk of damage. Apart from that, considering the capacity and shipping route of the ship is also important so that deliveries can be carried out optimally. 2. Proper packaging and packaging. Developing strong, water-resistant packaging and packaging is an important step to minimize the risk of damage to goods during sea transportation. Good packaging not only protects goods from shocks and impacts during transit, but also protects them from moisture and seawater which can damage goods. Companies need to use packaging materials that suit the nature of the goods being sent, such as wooden boxes for heavy and fragile goods, or plastic containers for goods that require protection from water. Additionally, it is important to ensure that items are packed neatly to avoid shifting during transport, which could cause damage. Investing in good packaging can reduce losses due to damage and increase customer confidence. 3. Right insurance. Choosing the right insurance with broad coverage is a very important preventative step to protect the company from the risk of loss due to damage or loss of goods during transportation. Marine transportation insurance can provide financial protection for goods that experience damage, loss, or accidents during the shipping process. Companies need to assess the value of the goods being transported and choose an appropriate insurance policy, including considering various risks that may occur during the journey. By having adequate insurance, companies not only protect their assets, but also ensure business continuity if something unexpected happens. 4. Regulatory knowledge. Understanding applicable customs regulations and procedures is essential for companies involved in maritime transportation. Each country has different rules regarding the import and export of goods, which may include certain documentation requirements, duty rates, and restrictions. Delays in meeting these requirements may result in shipping delays, additional costs, and even legal issues. Therefore, companies need to have in-depth knowledge of the regulations that apply in the country of origin and destination of the shipment. Working with an experienced shipping agent or consultant can help companies manage regulatory compliance and ensure that goods delivery runs smoothly without significant obstacles. So the conclusion is: sea transportation is an important mode of transportation in business activities, especially for maritime countries like Indonesia. Despite some challenges, ocean freight remains an efficient and reliable option for companies looking to transport goods in large quantities and reach global markets. By understanding the challenges and implementing the right strategies, companies can utilize sea freight effectively and efficiently to achieve their business goals. Okay, that's enough of my understanding about sea freight in business activities. I'll end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.